Hello friends, I am Kali Prasad. Welcome to you this class. Today we should discuss about shortcut trick for the finding out of square of two-digit numbers up to 75. Mainly we should discuss today the numbers of 25 to 75. In this class we should discuss about two methods. One is base method and second one is the formula method. These two methods are explained in the previous video. Those are not seeing that video, please watch that video. The link is given on the I button. Let's start. In this base method, we have to choose a base which is suitable for finding out the squares. For 25 to 75, we should choose 50 as a base because 50 is in between 25 and 75. One more thing, to accomplish this method, we should know the squares of 1 to 25. First step is choose the base. For example, a number we should take that is 48. The base is 50. Second step, find out the given number is how much less or more than 50. Here 48 is 50 minus 2. This means it is less than 2 than the 50. Next, find out the square of the less value or more value. Here I take x as the more value or less value. That means it is the x. Then find out the square of that lesser value or more value. Here 2 is the less value, so the square of 2 is 4. But remember, 2 digits should be kept. If more digit is there, if 3 digit, 2 digit always kept here. If more than 2 digits are there, then 2 digits kept and rest 1 digit to be carry over. Next, this is the most important. You have to remember a number 25. Last step is we have to add or subtract the number. This one is 2. We have to, if it is less than 50, then we have to less from 25. If it is more than 50, then we have to add to 25 plus carry over if any. It is the process or the steps to be followed to carry out this method. You are thinking that this method is more tedious, but it is not like that. It is very easy. Let's see. Let's take a number 48. It is 50 minus 2. Here 2 is less than the 50. Clear? Find out the square of this 2. Omitting the sign. Square of 2 is 4. Then we have to add or less. Here it is minus 2. So we are going to minus 2 from the 25. What is that value? 23. Our answer is 2304. It is very easy. We have to remember these two steps very carefully. Square of the lesser value or more value, and second one is 25 plus or minus the less value or more value. Let's take more example. I have to find out the square of 53. Here 53 equal to 50 plus 3. It is more than 50. So I am going to take first step square of this 3. Second step I will add this 3 to 25. That is 28. Next, one more example, 62. Square of 62 we have to find out. 62 is more than 12 than 50. So here more value is the 12. It is plus 12. So I am going to first step going to take square of this 12. It is 144, so 44 I kept 44 and 1 is carryover. Then I am going to add this 12 to 25. So 25 plus 12 equal to 37. Here plus 1 carryover, this is the 38. In this way you can find out the squares of 25 to 75. Let's take one more. 68, square of 68. 68 equal to 50 plus 18. Here one number is 18 is important and second one is the 25. Square of 18 is 324, kept 24 and 3 as carryover. Then this 18 to be added to 25 becomes 43 plus carryover 3, 46. If the number is another one, we have tried the lesser value, that is 36. Square of 36. Here 36 is 36 equal to 50 minus 14. So first of all kept square of 14 as 196, kept 96 and carry over 1. Then this 14 should be added or subtracted from 25, because here minus sign is there, so we should subtract. If here plus sign is there, then that should be added to 25. 25 minus 14 equal to 11 plus 1, that is 12. 1296 is our answer. Let's take one more, that is 32, square of 32. We know that 32 equal to 50 minus 18. So square of 18 we have to find out. Square of 18, if somebody is unable to remember all the squares of 1 to 25, then we should kept side 8, 64, 6 carry over, 182, 62 carry over 2 and 3, 324. So we should kept 24 as, we have to kept 2 digits and third digit to be carry over. Then what should do? This is a minus 18 means we have to subtract this 18 from 25. So 25 minus 18 equal to 7. 7 plus carry over 3 is 10. 1024. This is the best method in which by the practicing we can easily find out the squares of the 2-digit numbers up to 75. Next method is formula method, that is already discussed in the last class. Once again we should discuss. Square of 62. In that case what happens? First you have to square of unit digit. Square of unit digit, here unit digit is 2, so you have to place 3. One is for unit digit square, second one is multiplication of 3 numbers, then third place is the square of tens digit. Here square of 2 is 4. Remember, in this method one digit should be kept and others are carry over. 2 square is 4, here only one digit, so no carry over. Then multiply this 6, 2 and 2. We get 24. So kept 4 and carry over 2. Square of 6 is 36 plus carry over 2, 38. Square of 62 is 3844. That means 3844. Let's take one more example. 40 square of 42. Square of 2 is 4. By multiplying 4 2 we get 16, kept 6, 1 carry over. Square of the 4 is 16 plus 1 17. 1764 is the correct answer. I hope you should understood very clearly. If any doubt arises, please comment me. I will able to try my viewers doubt. So on the next class we should discuss about the squares of 75 to 100 by base method as well as traditional method. We should not meet on next class. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.